All right. So what's up, everybody? Your boy John Deere Man 22 here. Welcome back to another video. So yes, sir, as you guys can see, I'm out in the cornfield here again. I'm out in the cornfield here, I guess. I shouldn't say again, but I'm out here in the cornfield and I am hard at work. And I have been busy with gleaning the cornfield. Yeah, that's all I got in the pail. I've searched down here, and yes, there's the combine way over there. Neither my grandpa or his brother are here right now because, well, they're busy unloading. They thought about getting 6 loads probably done today. I've been hoping for at least to get a load, thinking there was gonna be more out here, and there isn't. And I've searched all over, you guys, and yes, gleaning has started. I've searched all the way down there to over there where the gator is. I've searched all the way down to there. And now I'm all the way over here on the other side near the neighboring cornfield. This ain't our corn, by the way. This is our corn, that isn't. So, I don't know. I mean, it's relatively hot out. The breeze feels nice. Sweating my damn ass off out here alone by myself because my brothers are still in school, and plus they got after school activities and crap, so they can't help me for a while. I've tried everything. I've looked all over the place here for ears of corn, and so far I haven't come up with shit yet. Yeah, this is pretty nasty. I found worse ears of corn. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, Saturday they got rain. And on that same Saturday I was at the wedding, and at the wedding we didn't get any rain. We didn't get rained out of that, so it's drier near the place where we had the wedding than it is over here, because over here they got dumped on. I mean, they got hammered with rain. And there ain't shit out here for me to clean. There's so much trash around here, and of course I might have found one. I mean, it's pretty bad. I mean, it's all dirty. Some of these ears have been smashed in the ground, in the wet ground, and I just saw another ear of corn. Yeah, that ain't gonna do shit for us. And yeah, of course with this being yeah, so just trying to knock off all the nastier shit. Yeah, Yeah, there's... Yeah, just when you think you found a decent ear laying on the ground, then it's all like that. That's just gross. Yeah, there ain't. Yeah, I think my grandpa was right. Yeah, I won't find shit out here. And that's terrible. This harvest is gonna go worse than last year. So, yeah. By the time you guys get this video, we'll be in Chicago for a wedding. And that is this Friday. So I'm hoping on Thursday, if I don't have shit to do, hopefully my brother doesn't have a game, I could ask my brothers, if they would mind coming out and staying the night on Thursday, just so that way they could help me glean for the rest of the day. And of course, I can't find shit out here to glean, and I mean, there's hardly, it's pretty bad out here, actually. It's not looking nice at all. I mean, with the amount of corn that I got in the pail, with the amount of corn that's sitting in the pail right now, some of that is wet, so some of that has to dry before we can pack corn. And I am already sweating up a storm. Yeah. It is hot. I didn't even check the temperature when I left. But I was planning on going all the way down there to the combine, just so that way I could snag a couple of ears out of the corn head before my grandpa and his brother came back. But that don't look like it's gonna happen, because there's so many ears of corn that are just sticking in the... Because there's just so many corn stalks sticking up, I don't want to cause a fire. And I don't think I want to. But I'm gonna try and look around, see what there is. Hopefully not dealing too much damage on anything, but yeah, there's not much out here. Yeah. So what we got here? Nothing. We got something there. No. More shit there either. So, yeah, I don't know what the hell to do. Yeah, some of these ears we found yesterday. I ain't like that. I found a bone on the back of the gator here. Go figure. So, yeah, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do. I mean, it's pretty bad. Of course, I threw the ears that were in the back of the gator here. I threw them in the pail. So I don't know whether I'm gonna go down to the combine and steal some ears out of the corn head, or I don't know. I don't know what have you. I don't know. I can't figure out where I'm gonna go because they still got corn out here, the combine yet before I can officially start gleaning this. And gleaning this is not gonna be fun because my brothers are still gonna be in school and still be busy. So I guess considering I'm gonna be going home tonight, I will try and get an FS22 season 8 episode out for you guys. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell for each and every upload, and I will see you all tomorrow. Later, guys. Stay safe with everybody.